The people you never hear about, they're the ones winning. Not the guy in the Lambo posting reels, not the influencer with the Rolex and the millionaire morning routine. I'm talking about the 34-year-old software engineer who drives a 10-year-old Civic, packs lunch 4 days a week, and quietly has $280,000 sitting in accounts nobody knows about. No flex, no announcement, just wealth. And here's what nobody tells you. That silence, it's not a side effect of building wealth. It's the strategy. I want to show you exactly how that works. But first, there's something most people get backwards about money that's costing them every single month. And I'll get to it. Stay with me. See, we've been sold this idea that wealth looks like something. A car, a watch, a lifestyle. And the moment most people get a raise, they upgrade the lifestyle to match. New phone, better apartment. Weekend trips that end up on stories. Morgan Housel calls it a fast car and a thin wallet. You look rich and feel broke. Simultaneously, the people building silent wealth do the opposite. When their income goes up, their life looks exactly the same. Their neighbors don't know. Their colleagues don't know. Their bank account does. That gap between what you earn and what you spend, that gap is the factory where wealth gets made. Here's a surprising truth. Most people who look broke aren't bad at earning. They're bad at keeping. A study out of Boston College found that lottery winners who took lump sums went bankrupt within 5 years at the same rate as everyone else. Because the problem was never the income. It was the relationship with money. Silent wealth builders, they treat money like it's boring. On purpose. They automate. They don't touch it. They make it invisible, so they can't spend it. There's a name for this in behavioral economics. Friction. The harder you make it to access money, the less you spend it. The rich don't use willpower. They engineer the environment. A guy earning $60,000 a year who auto-transfers $800 every payday into an account he never opens, he'll quietly cross $100,000 in savings before his coworker earning $90,000 crosses $10,000. Now here's the pivot most people miss. Building wealth isn't about discipline. It's about identity. The engineer with $280,000 quietly stacked, he doesn't resist buying a new car. He just doesn't want to. Because somewhere along the way, he stopped seeing spending as a reward. He started seeing the number growing as the reward. That's the shift. When the portfolio becomes the dopamine hit, not the purchase, everything changes. You don't need a six-figure salary. You don't need the perfect stock pick. You need a version of yourself that finds quiet satisfaction in building something no one can see yet. That's the game. Play it silently. If this made you think differently about money, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And don't forget to subscribe.